Uptown Swing.
My name is Jeremy.
I'm Maddie.
We taught level.
2 Swingout month.
That's right.
You guys mastered Swingouts because today we did the Texas Tommy.
And a free turn. We did both of them.
And a free turn. Let's show that free turn. Jeremy.
Yeah, let's show it this way though, because then they get the open side and all that stuff.
Yeah, great.
We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Should we show the other side so we can see the cardboard?
Sure. The car door. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On 6, there's just a little closing the cabinet.
Cardboard.
Or car door, whatever you want.
Then we took those skills and we turned it into the Texas Tommy.
That's right. Jeremy anatomy lesson. Thumbs go down. They can go behind. Thumbs go up. Can't go behind. So we do that. It's like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Switch the hand